Good morning, Rainbow. How are we doing this morning? You eating your carrots and your breakfast, huh? Well, good morning, everybody. I've been asked many times about how to approach a timid bird. And if the bird is scared of you, how do you handle that? That's very common when you purchase a new bird, comes home to a new environment. It's natural for the bird to be shy and scared. So what should a new bird owner do? Well, this is what I like to do. I like to give them a few minutes in their new cage, let them get settled a little bit, and it's also natural for the bird to be so frightened that it may not eat or drink. But after an hour or two, the bird should be hungry enough and thirsty enough to try to eat and drink. And many times, new environments, they don't know where the food or the drink is. So you can use your hand and slowly point to their food like this. And say, this is your food, or this is your yum yum, or this is your num num, whatever you want to call the food. And you can point to the different areas and say, this is your water. So this way, you kind of introduce them to their own environment. I like to be hands-on instantly. Many people say that they like to give the bird about a week or two. For me, as soon as my birds come home, just a few minutes, and then I just let them listen to my voice, and I use my hand, and I try to approach them, and I just take it from there. Their body language tells me whether they want me to approach more or to back off. So body language is very important to know. Like now, Rainbow, he's on the floor. He likes to look for some dropped food. So let's see. If I approach him now, he may not want me to come because he's busy doing his own thing. But let's say this is a brand new bird. See, he wouldn't come to me because he's busy doing his own thing. But anyway, a brand new bird will probably be reacting the same way, that they don't want to be bothered or they're too scared to. So if that's the case, just back off and wait a little bit. But everything that you do for a new bird should be slow. Approach them slowly. This way they're not being surprised or scared because everything around them is so new. Are you feeding your bluebird? What a generous bird. Give him a kiss. Well, anyway, for a new bird, we don't want to give them any more surprises. They are dealing with new environment and everything is strange. So in time, they would learn the sounds of your house and the voices of your family members in the house, the footsteps, everything in your house. But everything has to be done gradually, and in time they would be able to get used to it. So anything new, they'll be frightened. But I find that the younger the bird, the easier it is for it to get used to the environment, because it's like a brand new slate that they haven't experiencing much. Who is this handsome bird? This is Rainbow. Again, you would extend your hand very slowly. Let's say there's a bird in here. I would slowly approach the cage, put my hand on the front door, leave it there for about a minute, continue talking to the bird so the bird will get used to your voice, and then you can put your hand on one side of the cage. Again, continue talking, whether you saying the bird's name, repeating the bird's name, or whatever you want to do. And you put your hand there for about 30 seconds to a minute. Same thing with the other side. So all four sides, and even the top of the roof area if you want to. And when you see your bird not moving away from your hand, then you know the bird has gotten used to your hand. So depending on the bird, it may take a few hours. The same day he might be used to you. It could be several days. So keep on trying. But my tip is don't let your bird out until it's finger tame at least. This way you know how to get your bird back into the cage. Many people jump the gun where they just let the bird out. The room is not bird safe. The bird has no place to go to hang out. There's no toys with them. They're just flying around aimlessly, hitting into walls because they don't know what to do. They're scared. And they're not tamed. They're not finger tamed. And people end up grabbing them, swatting them, to get them even more scared. So make sure your bird is at least finger tamed before you take the bird out. Oh, like I spooked Rainbow. My camera was too close to him. Training and taming a bird takes time. It goes both ways. It takes time for the bird to get used to its new owner and its new surroundings. And if you're a brand new bird owner, you're kind of learning how to be an owner yourself. So another tip is to make sure you do all your research ahead of time. So way before you bring in your new bird to your home, you'll have the necessary accessories for the bird, the necessary food, and the knowledge of how to take care of your bird. What is Rainbow doing now? You're eating something in your mouth. You're kind of chewing. I see your beak going up and down, and yet you want to play. I think part of this, what Rainbow is doing, he's feeding some of his toys and playing and eating himself, multitasking. And where did he go? Okay, you just don't want mommy to be around you today, huh? Well, that happens, right? You want to have some private time to yourself. Want to give him a kiss? Give Bluebird kiss kiss? Can Rainbow give Bluebird kiss kiss? No? Okay. Having a bird is lots of fun, but there's lots of responsibilities, lots of things to learn about. But once you get over the initial taming and the boundaries of the house, the rules, and you shape your bird to what you want it to behave like, then it's really nothing. It's like another member of your family. You know that your environment is safe, and the bird knows this boundary, knows what to do, and your bird will be enjoying his environment, and you will be enjoying your bird as well. So everybody will be happy. But before you get to that point, it takes quite a bit of knowledge and know-how and patience to train and tame your bird. Let's see what Rainbow is going to do. You're going to fly around? Or are you going to hop on mommy's finger? Step up? No, he's not going to cooperate. Okay, no cooperation today from Rainbow. Okay, I'm going to let him just fly around and play. Well, thanks for watching. I hope for the new owners, enjoy your birdies, but make sure your bird is in a place where it's bird safe, bird proof. Look at Rainbow go. You're looking really hard for your food, or you're foraging, right? That's in their nature. All right. Can Rainbow say bye? No, he's not cooperating today. Okay, that's fine. But are you a good boy? Yeah, you're a good boy. Thanks for watching, everybody.